Hello guys, so we are here. We have the camera set up. This is what you guys are looking through. This is the sound quality. This is the video quality. From my experience with it so far, I've tested it a couple times, the video quality, and I think it looks pretty good. I went through a bunch of settings, kind of just made it work better, I guess, but for a just over $200 camera on Amazon, I don't think this thing's bad. I think it's worth the investment. I think it's a good camera. I think if you're trying to go on the cheaper side of getting into making videos and you want the good quality, you want the ability to do it without spending a lot of money, this is a great option. It really is. So if you enjoyed, seeing this unboxing video and review, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Thank you guys much.